So the carpet that I got, they're looking so dry. This is the perks of living in the country. Hey guys, I just finished shower and a bit. Oh yeah, look, it is extremely hot today. I remember Tom now because he also likes to eat this. Excuse me.
Yes, Mom.
Oh my gosh. Good morning everyone, greeting you from my Christmas tree, my white Christmas tree. Oh well, every time I wake up in the morning now, I always sit in the couch and look at my Christmas tree for a few minutes. It's a sight to behold. Today is Saturday, so happy weekend to each and every one of you. It is a beautiful day today here in the country. The sun is out, it's so strong. Oh my gosh, it's actually very sunny. It's around 9 a.m. right now and I'm going to make my breakfast. Well, actually we still have some food from last night, which is the chicken adobo that I cooked, but I don't want to have that for breakfast, so I'm gonna try to make some eggs and some bread as well. And since I already have butter, that's exciting. Before we begin though, please do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. So without further ado, let's start our day by making my breakfast. For our breakfast, we're gonna need some bread. We're gonna need some butter, some egg. A lot of eggs here. My mom always supply me with a lot of eggs. That's good. Guys, I don't know why, but it is extremely hot today. Oh my gosh, it's just so freaking hot. Like even if I'm here inside, I felt like I am outside. Like the sunlight is directly onto me. We have here this like the blinds and the window, and when I touch it, it's super hot. Anyway, I'm just pretty much chopping some onion because I love onions and tomatoes in my egg. Unfortunately, my mom was not able to get some tomatoes yesterday, so onion will do. And some of you guys, by the way, was telling me that I do not use fork when whisking my egg. So today, I'm gonna be using this like a proper whisk. Try to put some pepper. We're gonna try to cook our egg now. I've already put some butter into our bread, by the way. I don't have any oil anymore. I love eggs in the morning. Alright, my egg is done, guys. That's how it's looking. Now, we're gonna go ahead and try to toast our bread. I got some butter in there, and that's a hack. I think one of you guys commented about putting some butter into the bread and try to flip it. Oh yum, look at that. Can you see? Looks yummy. Guys, let's eat. Bon appetit. This is my breakfast. I got here a cup of fresh milk. The butter makes the bread to the next level. I just finished with breakfast. I am doing my laundry here. It's a laundry day today. Ta-da! Hi guys, I just finished doing the laundry and I have already hung it in the back. Anyway, today I'm just really pretty much gonna do some household chores. We're gonna cook some food. Sister and Scarlett will be here as well later on. Hey guys, I just finished shower and it is currently 1 or 12:30 p.m. right now and I don't have a lunch yet. So for our lunch this afternoon, I have some yellowfin fish. This is what me and Tom was having. Oh my god, it sizzles. So this fish is what me and Tom was having when we were in Palawan, and this is actually our favorite, and I kind of miss it, so I asked my mom to go to Carbon and grab me some of this fish. And it's actually quite expensive here in Cebu City than in Palawan. It's like 2-3 times more expensive. but I miss it so much, so I'm gonna try to fry it. I marinated it with some soy sauce and I sprinkled it with some salt and black pepper. My fish, guys, is already done. That's how it's looking. It's looking fabulous. We are going to transfer this to the plate. So over here I got some rice as well. Let's eat some lunch. My papa has eaten already. He ate the chicken adobo that we had last night. I don't want to eat that. I want something like some fish. It's so weird for me because sometimes I don't really feel like eating meat, especially pork. I just love to eat like vegetable and chicken and fish, and that's it. This fish is so yum. I remember Tom now because he also likes to eat this. Guys, look at this. My neighbor gave me this cabbage. It's still so fresh from the farm. This is the perks of living in the country. Your neighbors are just gonna give you some of the crops that they have. It has been so sunny today, and look at the plants. They're looking so dry. So I'm gonna try to water the plants here around the house. Actually, earlier there was like a really loud music and I asked them, can you turn it down, please? I'll just try to do a vlog. But you know, they were so kind enough as well to turn it down, but they turned it off, which is good. Anyway, they're so dry, so we're gonna water the plants. I just finished watering all the plants, guys, in the garden, and I just received another blessing from our neighbor. Someone celebrating her birthday, so they are having a celebration and they're cooking a lot of food, so they gave me some as well. So this is how it's looking. It's called ginisang manok. This is chicken with some spices into it. It smells so good, but I've already eaten, so I'm quite full, so we'll just save this for later, maybe for dinner. So you know that my first ever decor here in the house is my white Christmas tree. I have another addition to our decor, which Syra is holding right now, so she's gonna put that up in there. Ta-da! And then we have another one. This one says live, laugh, love. And then another one on the side. And that one says travel, explore, and live. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love it. I got this in Robinson's Galleria when me and Vingo went there. And guys, a lot of you have been telling me that I should iron my curtains so it would look a lot more prettier. That's what we're going to do today. I'm gonna iron all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 curtains. Good luck to me. I'm gonna iron it here on my bed. Let's do it. Guys, update. I just finished with the first window. That's how it's looking right now. It looks so pretty. Actually, it does make a lot of difference. It looks so chic, but look at my sweat. Oh my gosh, after a few hours. It took so long for me to finish everything. Also, my back hurts because I was like leaning. Anyway, I'm gonna show it to you guys. How does it look now? It looks so good. It's glorious. I love looking at it. First window here in my bedroom. That's how it's looking. Second window here in my bedroom as well. The living room, guys. It looks so good now. And then we have here on the kitchen area as well. So my sister has arrived and I told her to get me some Christmas lights. I got 3 boxes of this Christmas lights. So hopefully it can serve as well. Did you try this? Look, it's a lot. 200 lights, and the light for this is color yellow. By the way, guys, remember someone gave me some chicken. She gave me some budbud as well. Ta-da! A lot of budbud. I think she gave me like 10 of these. Smells good. We're gonna eat this later. I'm so full. So we're gonna put this in our Christmas tree. It blinks. My sister. Ituyok lang dira sa pinaka ana. My sister is trying to put the Christmas lights into our beautiful Christmas tree, and then we're just pretty much gonna turn it around. I know, guys, that you have to put first the Christmas lights before you put the Christmas balls, but we did it already, so it should be fine. I think this one box of Christmas lights will be enough for our Christmas tree. So the rest of that, we are going to put it outside of the house. Oi! Christmas balls are falling. Ta-da! Guys, look at our Christmas tree! Oh my gosh! It absolutely looks so pretty now that we have Christmas lights for our Christmas tree. It blinks and it changes like different... Yeah, it goes like this. And then it goes like that. Just, you know, steady. And then it goes blinking. And then like this. But this is my favorite. And then since we still have Christmas lights, we're trying to put it here outside. So I received a package today. This is the package that I got online, and this is actually for the house. So this is exciting. This excites me. If it's something about the house, then it is good. Scarlett is here. Scarlett, excuse me.
Yes, Mom.
Yes, Mom ka dyan. Okay, so this is actually a carpet. And this one is for the... It's like a sofa cover. Tawag na na.
Huh?
Tawag na na. Ali, gagi. Tawag na na. Okay, so, oh my gosh. Oh, it's so pretty, you guys. Look, this is the carpet that I got. It's so big. Look. It's so big. Okay, let's put it there. Wait.
Put it here.
Let's put it there. Come on. Wow. Wow. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. It's actually short. But it's okay. That's just for there. The other one that I got, guys, is this one. This is a sofa cover because, gosh, there's a lot of kids here, and so they put their feet up and it gets so dirty. I have it in a color brown as well, or coffee brown. It's exactly the same as what it is now. So I have this. We're gonna try to put it into our sofa. And it comes with this. Guys, so I was able to finally put the cover of the sofa set, so that's how it's looking right now. I actually love it how it turned out. I got this for about $20 US, and yeah, it's so nice. I truly love it. Look. And this is how our Christmas tree is looking in camera. It looks white, but it's actually warm lights. It's yellow lighting, guys. Look. Very nice. Also, the carpet that I got, I just decided to put it here in the room because it's very small if I put it in the living area. And this is how it looks. It looks nice. And of course, the curtain that I did today, sweating so much while ironing this curtain, but it is worth it. It's looking nice and pretty. And say hi to baby Ellie. Anyway, that's gonna be the end of the vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Please subscribe to the channel. And as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye!